Cybersecurity threats escalate as hackers target vulnerable food and beverage industry. In an era where digitization has reshaped the global industrial landscape, the food and beverage sector, long considered a low priority target for cybercriminals, has found itself squarely in the crosshairs of sophisticated hacker groups. What was once perceived as a relatively low-risk industry in the cyber arena is now experiencing a surge in digital threats, revealing vulnerabilities that pose significant risks not only to corporations but to food security, public health, and economic stability. The past year has seen an alarming uptick in ransomware attacks, data breaches, and supply chain infiltrations targeting companies in the F&B sector. According to a 2021 report by the International Security Agency, attacks on food production and distribution systems increased by 74% compared to the previous year. These assaults have ranged from the theft of sensitive corporate data to the paralysis of manufacturing lines through malware, causing delayed shipment, product recalls, and loss of consumer trust. In one high-profile case, a multinational dairy producer experienced a cyber attack that disrupted its production facilities across 3 continents. The hackers used phishing emails to gain access to internal systems before deploying ransomware that shut down milk processing plants and delay distribution schedules. While no consumer data was compromised, the financial damage exceeded $45 million and the company's share price fell by 18% in the aftermath. What makes the F&B sector particularly attractive to hackers is a combination of factors: aging infrastructure, limited cybersecurity budgets, and a heavy reliance on automated systems for supply chain management. Many small to medium enterprises in the sector still operate legacy systems that lack robust encryption and multi-factor authentication, making them easy targets for attackers who exploit outdated software and weak network protections. Moreover, the urgency and perishable nature of food production create a situation where companies are more likely to pay ransoms quickly to avoid spoilage and logistical chaos. This economic pressure is exactly what cybercriminals count on. Industry insiders note that cyber gangs, especially those based in Eastern Europe and Southeast Asia, have shifted their focus from high-security targets like finance and healthcare to the more vulnerable food supply infrastructure. The implications of these attacks are far-reaching. On a macro level, disruptions in food processing and transportation affect not only consumer access to products but also global trade flows. In one incident, a cyber attack on a Southeast Asian rice exporter halted operations during the harvest peak, causing price fluctuations across import-dependent nations in Africa and the Middle East. Public health experts also warned of the dangers these breaches could pose to food safety. Cyber attack could potentially manipulate quality control systems, change expiration data, or interfere with refrigeration systems, leading to undetected contamination or spoilage. In the worst-case scenario, malicious actors could even introduce false safety data into traceability systems, making it harder for regulatory bodies to manage recalls or investigate outbreaks. In response to these growing threats, several government and industry associations are beginning to take actions. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, recently launched a Cyber Shield for Agriculture initiative aimed at promoting cybersecurity standards across all food sectors. In the European Union, the Digital Resilience Act mandates critical infrastructure providers, including those in the food sector, to implement minimum cybersecurity protocols by 2026. However, experts argue that regulatory compliance alone will not be enough. Companies must foster a culture of digital hygiene, train employees to recognize phishing attempts. Digital hygiene. Train employees to recognize phishing attempts. Invest in system redundancy, and conduct regular penetration testing. Cybersecurity should be integrated into the very DNA of food systems, not treated as an afterthought. In the words of Dr. Elena Hartman, a cybersecurity analyst in the Global Food Systems Security Forum, the food and beverage industry is no longer insulated from the digital threats plaguing other sectors. If anything, the stakes are higher because this is about more than business continuity, it's about feeding the world. The convergence of cybercrime and food production marks a critical inflection point in industrial security. As the sector races to modernize in the face of growing global demand, it must also brace itself against an equally modern wave of threats, ones that target not just the bottom line, but the very systems we rely on to nourish society. Thank you.